To scan your credit card on an Android device, you will typically use a mobile payment app or a digital wallet service such as Google Pay. Samsung Pay or Apple Pay is not available on Android, but some banks have their own apps. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, ensure your Android device supports near-field communication or NFC, as this technology is required for mobile payments and credit card scanning. You can check your device specifications or consult the user manual to confirm. Next, download and install a mobile payment app from the Google Play Store. Popular options include Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or your bank's specific app. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. To add your credit card, navigate to the app's main menu and select the option to add a new card. You will be prompted to take a photo of your credit card using your device's camera. Position your credit card on a flat surface and align it within the guidelines provided on the screen. The app will automatically detect and extract the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can manually enter your credit card details if the app does not support card scanning or if the scanning process is unsuccessful. Be sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any errors. After adding your credit card, you will be required to verify your identity and confirm the card details. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email, which you must enter into the app to complete the setup process. Once your credit card is added and verified, you can use your Android device to make payments at participating merchants. Simply open the mobile payment app, select the credit card you want to use, and hold your device near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you should only use trusted and secure mobile payment apps to scan and store your credit card information. Always review the app's terms and conditions, as well as its security features, to ensure your sensitive information is protected. Additionally, be cautious when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to avoid any potential security risks. By following these steps, you can easily scan your credit card on your Android device and enjoy the convenience of mobile payments. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable apps to protect your financial information.